Here's a fun fact about parrots. Parrots are known for their exceptional vocal mimicry skills. Some species, such as the African gray parrot, can imitate a wide range of sounds, including human speech, other bird calls, and even natural sounds like ringing phones or doorbells. The African gray parrot, in particular, is renowned for its ability to mimic and comprehend human language. These intelligent birds can not only mimic words and phrases but also use them approximately in context, showing a high level of cognitive ability and communication skills.